Yep. Oh. Ugh. It gets a bit nicer up here. I wonder what that is. Are you coming? Did you do double peggers on a bike? Oh, Donovan, why do we do this to ourselves? Well, I can see Atlantis. Yeah. See him? Do you reckon we keep going? Okay. Easy now. I reckon this way because it goes up.
Now dig up, stupid.
Oh, it's starting to get boggy though. I don't know about this, Don. You go first. You go first. Yeah, you have more off-road experience. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Oh well, it was worth a try. Now how are we going to do this? I'm just struggling to get up. Come on, you big thing. There we go. Okay. Well, if we had dirt bikes, I would absolutely go up there. Ooh. Oh, that was exhausting. That's pretty cool though. I wonder what that is. It stinks. Whatever it is, it stinks. No, it gets really potent as you go past that thing. Oh fuck. Ugh. 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 Ah, this guy's gonna look at us like, what the fuck? Can do. What's your fucking box curb here? Oh. No, you'll be right. You just cleared that by like a centimetre.